Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take your protein powder. First, understand that protein powder is a convenient supplement to boost your daily protein intake. It helps with muscle repair and growth, especially after exercise. There are various types, like whey for fast absorption, casein for slow release, and plant-based options for those with dietary restrictions. Selecting the right one depends on your personal goals and preferences. Timing your protein intake can maximize its benefits. Many people find it most effective to consume protein powder within 30 minutes to 1 hour after a workout to aid muscle recovery. You can also take it between meals to ensure consistent protein levels throughout the day. For a steady supply of amino acids overnight, a slow-digesting protein like casein before bed is an excellent choice. Mixing your protein powder correctly ensures a smooth and enjoyable drink. Generally, 1 scoop of powder is mixed with 8 to 12 ounces of your preferred liquid. Water is a simple option, while milk or a milk alternative can add creaminess and extra nutrients. Use a shaker bottle or a blender and mix well until there are no clumps, creating a consistent texture. Beyond basic shakes, protein powder is incredibly versatile. Try adding it to your morning smoothie for an extra boost, or stir it into oatmeal for a heartier breakfast. You can even incorporate it into baking recipes to create protein-rich muffins or pancakes. Remember to adjust your serving size based on your individual protein needs and fitness goals, typically 1 to 2 scoops per day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.